Carson's secret diary? Who is... This must be Carson's crush. Okay. Oh my gosh, I know her. I could tell her. What are these?
Maximus, we have a situation. We do not talk about those.
Well, what's the problem?
Anyway, so this is a computer without RAM or a hard drive, and I just found it laying in the middle of the street.
How dare they? Get this thing diagnosed! Alright, doctor. It looks like we're gonna have to do some extensive work. You agree?
Agreed.
Luckily, we have all the parts.
All right, let's get started. Screwdriver?
There's nothing to unscrew.
I knew that.
What are we missing?
Well, we're missing a HDD right here, and we're also missing 2 RAM slots right here, so we gotta put those in.
This thing's basically stripped. I got the stuff. Don't worry.
HDD? Thank you.
Serial ATA should go right in.
There we go. RAM, please. Thank you. Now, what you could do is you could get the Puppy Linux USB ready.
Working on it.
Thank you.
That aside. Alright. CD's burning.
Move what aside?
Nothing. Let's keep working, shall we?
Sure. Alright, let's see if we can...
These things are hard. I'll keep it ground to make sure that we don't lose the computer. Yeah, if you could help me with that. Let's try it again.
You know...
SD RAM 2, am I right? Oh, there we go. You get it in?
Yep. Is it in?
It's socketed. It's in. It's gonna need a big push though. That's the thing with these old Acer computers. Never want to socket. Oh! Got a diagonal. It's stable. It's in!
No, it's not.
It isn't?
No! Wait.
I'm gonna push it in. It's holding. I think it should hold. We got a few minutes until this thing dies.
The RAM is successfully in. Back panel, please.
Oh dear. The monitor just said that this thing's got a few more minutes to live. We best hold it. It's missing its back panel, but it will have to do. Ah, man, a tab. Devilish things, I'll say. Alright, I have positive socketed in patients through alpha 2 through alpha 1.
Okay. It's flashing. It should have it ready any moment.
It's getting pretty rough. That thing's ready. I'm ready to shut it on. Uh-oh. What's that?
Hurry!
Ah, it's flatlining.
Oh.
Enable the power supply. Power socketed.
Yes!
It's on.
Get the flash drive.
Alright.
It is in. Hurry, spam F12.
Alright.
Okay.
It's booting.
Come on.
Goodness.
Do it. You can do it.
It's doing it.
You can do it. Yes.
Bingo.
It recognized it.
Alright. Get Puppy on this thing and it'll fix her right up.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's beautiful. There's no
It's
time to
doing it.
waste, Doctor. We're gonna need to get it formatted.
We need to do G-parted.
G-part.
Wherever it is, there it is. It's somewhere around here, I know. There!
It installed, didn't it? Yes, it did.
Behold!
It's on the ATA.
I need to get the USB mouse. The touchpad can't make it much longer.
Alright. Plug it in and commence.
Roger that, Doctor.
That's a terrible yellow line it's got. Luckily, everything else is stable.
Yeah, I'll probably just have to live with it. I think it's just a defect. Get that out of the way. Alright.
X2.
And just to be safe... Whoops. Just to be safe, why don't we just create a new partition table? MS-DOS will probably be best. I don't know if it'll handle GPT. And we'll have to create an ext2 partition almost all of the way. Leaving about...
How many megabytes, Doctor?
2 gigabytes.
Perfect. That a backup?
No. It's gonna be swap.
Wow. Oh yeah. This thing only has so much RAM.
Yeah.
This should give us plenty of RAM for its use.
Okay.
Swap, baby.
And once it does that, we can go ahead and get the puppy installer up and running. Universal installer. And we will just wait till that's done. There we go. It's done.
Alright.
Minimize it. Puppy installer. We'll get this up.
Let's give
We will
this
do internal hard drive.
Let's give this dog a bone.
What? Okay. According to gparted, dev SDA1 is the ex2 partition we created.
And commence installation.
Frugal. Okay. Okay.
It's commencing. Computer
doing
stable.
I think it's gonna make it.
Vital signs showing that it's up. Hold on. I'm gonna check the diagnostics computer.
What's that? What's that?
It needs us. It
What do you
lacks
want?
grub.
Oh.
How dare you?
Yes. Whatever makes you happy.
Okay. It doesn't recognize that there isn't a Windows partition. That's the catch.
That may be a bad thing. Okay, all done. Now, we have to shut it down, and we must attempt to get it to run without the USB drive. It all comes down to this.
Will it work? Or will it die? Hey, we got grub! Swap partition should be able to sustain the necessary amount of RAM
Just
regardless.
can't get that annoying line off the screen.
That's sad. Oh!
We do it. Boot the desktop environment.
Boot
Do
it! What kind does it use, Carson? For a doctor?
I don't actually know which desktop environment it uses.
It looks like, I guess it's not GNOME.
It's definitely not GNOME. I'd say maybe something like XFCE, if anything.
Yes! It worked! Though, that's the important part.
Yes! Let's go! Woo!
Yes!
I
No?
didn't think we could do it, honestly.
I'm glad to see that the puppy PC is doing great.
I'm gonna name him Buck.
Alright, well, I'll just get my tools and I'll be going, Doctor.
Yeah. Hey, thank you for your help today. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Alright.
Wait, what were you... Gotta go!
Bye!